Hi there, and good morning if you're just waking up. If you're like me and you enjoy a fresh cup of coffee to get your day started, but you're a little concerned with inflammation or you're a little apprehensive about the acidity in coffee that could kind of upset your stomach sometimes, I feel you. So I invite you to try my version of coffee to help reduce inflammation, aid in digestion, and reduce acidity. Let me know what you think. For coffee that won't upset your stomach with all the acid, I use pure roast coffee, organic French roast, low acid, and it has 70% less acid, 7 times more antioxidants than tea. So I put that in there, and then I use alkaline water with a 10.0 pH. So a high alkaline water will help counteract some of the acidity that's natural in coffee. I use all these ingredients. So I add a spoonful of turmeric for anti-inflammatory properties with a little black pepper to help your cells absorb the turmeric. I add a little bit of ginger, which is great for digestion, and it helps decrease inflammation, among other things. Cinnamon, which is a powerful antioxidant, helps balance blood sugar. Organic blue agave sweetener. So this is low glycemic, so it won't let your blood sugar spike up quite as high as other sweeteners, and it's all natural. And voila, mushroom blend. So this is a blend of mushrooms that has so many benefits. It would take me way too long to list right now, but you can see all these different medicinal mushrooms in this one little blend. So I add a scoop of this to each of my cups of coffee. And then I usually use hemp milk as sort of a base. Hemp milk has omegas, which are great for your brain and good for your heart. So this is how I make my coffee just a little bit healthier. I think it tastes really yummy. So if you try this at home, please let me know how you like it, and maybe kind of play and experiment with different amounts, different portions of each ingredient, and find that perfect balance that is nice and yummy for your palate. And if you like this little recipe, if you like my yoga videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this with anyone who's looking for a healthier version of coffee in the morning.